Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shitafabit Khan. I hope you all are fine. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very enthusiastic and very good for those people who are imperturbable for their chosen career. Some people believe that success in life comes from taking risk or chances. Others believe that success results from careful planning. As far as my thinkings are concerned, so I say that success comes from careful planning and from taking risks both. But we must choose and put stress on careful planning only. It is a wise and safe course to follow. Before doing any work and taking any task in hand, we must have a clear idea of it. It is but natural that when we intend to do a thing, we already have some plan in mind and idea works behind that intentions. Sometimes it happens in our life that our heart and our mind don't allow us to take the risk, but we will have to take the risk for becoming a successful person. So, to achieve success, we will have to first weigh the worth of that thing. If it is a worthy of efforts, we should proceed further and sit to work out a strategy. And after having decided, overwhelm. Gather all our strength to work according to our plan with our consistency and resolution. This is the right way to make sure success in life. Working with wise planning saves us from going astray. We can thus best utilize our energy and resources also. So the first question is that what is success? So I think that struggle is as good as success. Have you ever think about your life exactly as it is and do an honest evaluation? Are you happy with the way your life is going right now? Do you get up feeling excited about life, the way you live? Do you like the way about the day and grateful to be in your experience? Are you happy with the way you look and the way you feel physically? Are you confident? Do you like who you are? Are you financially or professionally satisfied? What about your daily experience? Do you like the places you go, the way you spend your time, and the people with whom you spend time? How do you feel about yourself and your life before you go to sleep at night? And finally, have you ever sincerely asked yourself these questions? If you have asked with you these questions, it means that you are a successful person. Because a successful person is one who cares for his or her own health and makes it as a priority. A successful person is the one who is happy and his or her own happiness is not dependent on others. A successful person is one who follows his or her dreams as well. Yeah, I'm gonna give you here some tips to become successful faster. So, first tip is be smart about your money because money is more important for your life. If you spend your money just like I spent trips, so you will be back it. Second tip is learn from your mistakes because successful people make mistakes just like we all do. They just don't repeat them. Sometimes we commit mistake and repeat it time and again. We just keep on repeating our mistakes, and after a long time, we realize it that we committed a lot of mistakes. Third tip is find a mentor because if you find a good mentor, so he or she will be able to make your mind positive. Fourth one is streamline your routine. Your daily routine should be very in a very smooth way. There should not be any comfort zone. There should not be any cozy area because if you live in your comfort zone, you will not be able to get the success. And believe that you deserve your success. You should believe yourself. You should believe in you. Don't undervalue yourself. Because if you respect yourself, then others will. Otherwise, they will not. And always remember in your mind that you should celebrate your success. The day comes, just celebrate your success with your friends and with your family members also. And sometimes it happens in our life that we live in our past. So forget your yesterday, forget your past. If you got failed in your past, so it's okay, no problem. And never count your failure days, failure time. Never count that. Because if you live it and if you will think about it, so I think that you will not be able to get success in your life. If you really want to succeed, be prepared to grow into it. Lose your fear of failure and risk doing something that is important to you. You will be glad you did it and succeeded. So start from today, just think, analyze, planning, try, do again, keep on doing and just get success. So I hope you will like today's video and just take care of yourself. Inshallah, we'll meet again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.